This is the story of Tommy. Tommy lives inside a freezer. Tommy always stays a solid when he's inside the freezer. But how? Inside Tommy lived a bunch of molecules. The molecules vibrate from each other. The space between each and every molecule is called the intermolecular distance. As you can see, the intermolecular distance between the molecules is very less. For this reason, the molecules are tightly packed together and cannot move freely. Another reason for it being like this is because there is no heat inside a freezer. If there were heat inside a freezer, the motion of each molecule would increase, which would also increase the vibration of each molecule, which would cause the molecules to move farther apart. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume, which means that Tommy will not grow, will not shrink, and will stay the same length, width, and height. Tommy was bored of staying in the freezer all the time. He decided to take a trip to Egypt where he could see the Egyptian pyramids. At the Egyptian pyramids, it was burning hot. As the heat started to increase, Tommy was reaching melting point, which was 0 degrees Celsius. Since Tommy reached melting point, Tommy is now a liquid. Now the molecules inside Tommy are a little bit different. Since Tommy experienced heat, the heat increased the motion of the molecules, which also increased the vibration of the molecules, which increased the intermolecular distance between the molecules, which now allows them to slide past each other. This phase is called melting. As it started to get even hotter, Tommy realized something was happening to him. He was starting to turn to gas. This phase is called evaporation. Since even more heat was added, the motion of the molecules increased, which also increased the vibration of the molecules, which now allows the molecules to move very freely. Tommy wanted something yummy and cold to eat like ice cream, so he went into an ice cream shop. The cool AC slowed down the motion of the molecules, which also slowed down the vibration, which causes the molecules to come closer together. This phase is called condensation. After Tommy turned into a liquid, Tommy was tired and wanted to go home. Once Tommy reached the cool place like the freezer with no heat at all, the motion of the molecules completely slowed down, which also caused the vibration to also slow down, which also caused the molecules to come closer together. This phase is called solidification. To put this story of Tommy's into a summary, whenever heat was added to the molecules started speeding. The motion of the molecules started speeding up, and the vibration, which caused the molecules to move farther and farther apart. And when it got in a cool place, the molecules started slowing down, and the vibration started slowing down, which caused the molecules to come closer and closer together.
Thanks for watching!